Hi, today I'm going to show you what's the best alternative tool like a notepad for Mac. So there is no such good tool. I checked in internet, so I found one. This is the good and the best tool. How we use a notepad in Windows system. It is similar to Mac. So those who are already familiar with Windows and compatible with a notepad, it will be very helpful for them to use this app. So I'll show you that app. It's TextMate. So this is the site Macromates. So you have to go here and you have to click on this, and it will download uh, that TextMate. I already have downloaded and installed in my system. So let me show you how to how it looks like. So this is the tool TextMate, and it is almost like the notepad how you use in Windows system. So here it uses only the plain text how it is in notepad, and it supports multiple languages also, like programming languages. If you want to keep plain text, you can also do that. If you want to do Java programming, you can also do that. If you want to use JavaScript, that is also you can do that. You can, and it will format to that respective programming languages. Your code will be formatted. So it is very nice and easy and handy and very good. And you can open multiples not window for this TextMate. So for that you have to open new one. So it will open like how notepad works in Windows. It will open new tab, and it will, sorry, new window, and every time it will open a new one. So and then you can also, after editing anything, you can, how you do like saving any instant things, you can also do that, like file save as. So it will give you the option to save as text or any kind of file. You can do that how you use in notepad in Windows. It's exactly the same. So like I'll show you one more thing, like how, like if I open a Java code, how it looks like in TextMate. So let me open a Java code. So like this is a Java file, so let me open with TextMate. So see, it looks like exactly like how it is uh, in Java format. So here it is also selected automatically the Java. So similarly, if I open a text file, so like this is a text file, open with TextMate. So here it is plain text, automatically it is selected the plain text, and it will be like a simple and some simple plain text. So it is very useful and handy and very user friendly. So I like this. So if you want to use this, you can also use by downloading from here, and if you want to purchase some license, you can also do that from here. Thank you.